Hey, what's up guys? I'm RPI Boy and today I'm going to show you how you can interface a DHT11 Adafruit humidity and temperature sensor to a Raspberry Pi 3B or 3B Plus. And today I'm going to use this schematic diagram and some remote desktop apps because I just bought a new monitor and the cables are all over the place and it's just so messy. So this is the DHT11 and Raspberry Pi schematic diagram, and this is the DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor and the Raspberry Pi, and the VCC or the 5-volt pin will go to the DHT11 5 volt input pin, and make sure that you have the 3-pin uh, circuit board on which the DHT11 is mounted so that you don't have problems connecting it. Further, in future I will also post a video with the 4-pin DHT11, so stick around and please subscribe to those channel. So now there is the VCC, which is denoted by red, ground will be denoted by black, and blue will be denoted as data, which will go to GPIO 4, which is um, which is fourth pin from the second in the second row, and which will go to the DHT11, and it can be in any format. First it might be red, black, anyway, and the data pin will be going to give the input to us. And here we are. This is the remote desktop app called the anydesk, and I'm going to connect to my Raspberry Pi through this app. And oh yeah, I forgot to start the app on my Raspberry Pi. I'll be back. Sorry for the delay. Um, yeah, so here I'm back, and this time it will connect because I started the app on Raspberry Pi. And here we are. This is the remote desktop screen. This is the home screen of anydesk, which is on my Raspberry Pi. I'll just close it, and here we are. It is the home screen of my Raspberry Pi. This is the login page of anydesk, and we'll start the Python 3 ideally. And in this I had the project saved as temp.py, so I will just open it up. And as you can see, we have imported the Adafruit DHT, and you have to import this in the form of Adafruit DHT. Then we have given a variable to DHT and defined it as DHT.DHT11. We have given it GPIO 4, and humidity and temperature variables have been given to it, functions sort of variables. And in this while true loop, we have used the if statement to check if the humidity and temperature are none. If not, it will show the value in the form of temperature and humidity equals to, and here it is the else. It will be in the form if it isn't getting a input, it will show the unable to get the input, and just press F5. The code will run, and might take a couple of seconds, but you will get the output in the form of this degree Celsius and percentage. Just press Ctrl C to interrupt the loop, and here you can observe the changes and other things like what's the temperature. It will be 5 negative or positive 5 difference in the readings, but it is the most accurate sensor available, I should say, in the market for Raspberry Pi. Well, that's what I think because the internet said so, and the easiest one to as well. And now we'll have to connect it. I'm going to show you the SSH connection. So you will have to download the Putty app for a laptop. Then you have to open the command prompt. In the type hostname space -I and press enter. Yeah, so you got the IP address, and because I'm on my PC, I can just copy it, and yeah, and then we'll uh, go back to my home screen, or we'll directly go to the Putty, and I'll just paste it. So here we are. This is the Putty software, and I'll just paste the IP address, and this is the IP address of my Raspberry Pi. And when I connect, I will get a message, and just press yes and log in as Pi. The password will not be shown, but if you are using Pi and you haven't changed the password, you can just type in Raspberry and it will press enter. It will not show the letters or alphabets here. Then type ls. Here you can see the list of all the directories, and then all the other documents that you have got in the PC, sorry, Raspberry Pi. So find the module that you were using, and note that if you are using a Python module or you are going to run it, you will have to it has to be in the format of .py, and then to start running it, just press just type in Python, and then you can either copy the name or you can type it out, and here you can see the output. It will be in the same format as the one that we got on Ideally through the remote desktop. Press Ctrl C, same, it will stop the loop, and you can observe the difference in temperature and humidity. And one more thing, if you have a hair dryer or something else to change the temperature around the sensor, you can use it to check it out. So there you go. This is how you can interface a DHT11 sensor. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe and share, and hit the bell notification icon so you never miss an upload. Thanks.